Phew, times are tough out there. In 17 years of real estate, I've never seen a market like this. I've been selling real estate in the Edmonton, Alberta, Canada market for 17 years full time. We're in April here in 2024, and there is very little inventory for a lot of buyers, especially for single family homes under the $600,000 mark. There are currently only 1,800 listings in the whole surrounding Edmonton area, and about 200 listings per day go pending. So we've got a lot of pressure on the very low inventory that exists there. And this is why you're going to want to take this tour with me of 1017 Rutherford Place. This single family home is perfect for you if you are looking to upsize your family and move into the Edmonton surrounding area. Welcome home. As soon as you enter 1017 Rutherford Place, you will be bathed in natural light. This pace-setter's home has massive windows overlooking the huge pie-shaped south-facing yard. The owner has went ahead and upgraded the fully gourmet kitchen with luxurious quartz countertops and upgraded stainless steel appliances and professionally installed vinyl plank flooring. The two-piece bathroom and the laundry is also on this floor, and it is sunken away from the main entertainment area, so very conveniently located, and has that vinyl plank flooring as well. The home is perfect for entertaining. It is an open concept, and the living space has a gas fireplace. Moving on upstairs, there's a huge bonus room that has been set up as a theater room. Again, with plenty of huge windows and custom blinds. Upstairs, the carpet has been completely redone, and the home has been freshly painted as well. Vinyl plank flooring has been added to the primary bedroom, and there is his and her closets and a fully upgraded bathroom. Spa-like ensuite with 5 pieces, a soaker bathtub, and shower stall. Moving on, there are 2 additional bedrooms on this floor. The basement is partially finished and has 1 more bedroom that you can enjoy. If that's not enough, this property also has a low maintenance yard, massive 2-tiered deck, perfect for entertaining in a barbecue and fire pit area. It is located in Rutherford community in the southwest area of Edmonton, very sought after, close to all amenities and to the Anthony Henday. 15 minutes from the airport, the location is very convenient. Tons of walking trails and lakes in Rutherford, and you are very close to Windermere amenities as well as South Edmonton Common. Rutherford also has tons of schools, so what more are you looking for? The double garage even is wired for EV charging. So now that you've taken a tour of 1017 Rutherford Place, what's your thoughts on it? Can you see yourself living here, roasting marshmallows on a nice warm summer evening? This property has so much to offer. If you are interested in this property or any other properties in the Edmonton or surrounding area, please just touch base with me. On the contact information is below, and I'd love to see you on more videos, so please subscribe to my family-friendly channel. My name is Karen Stanko, and I'm with Remax Real Estate, and if you are moving into the Edmonton or surrounding area, I'd love to be your realtor of choice. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you on the next one.